Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me this chance. Indeed, we have come this far, not because of what we have done, but because of what God has done for us. And therefore, this prayer breakfast tomorrow is quite very important. First and foremost, what we are going to do is to thank God for fighting each battle for each one of us. It wasn't easy even for us to be back here in Parliament, but God did it. And even as Kenya as a whole, we want to thank God that today we are seated here with Junet, who has been far away from us for a long, long time. And I want to support our majority leader here. It is because of the prayers that we've been offering that God brought you today. So we welcome all of you to our prayer breakfast tomorrow. Thank you.
Tomorrow. Thank you, Faith. Chepkonga, 2 minutes. Yeah.